Having a moment here. What's up, guys? Sundance 270 here. How you all doing today? Hope you're having a lovely one. What have we got for you today? Check it out. This is Passion Tincture from Broken Charlie, friend of the channel, friend to myself, Mr. Lizard Cowboy from across the pond. Let me tell you, I don't think you've seen me review his sauces on this channel before. His invisible sauce, I believe his chestnut soy sauce has also been reviewed on this. But you may not have known that he makes tincture. He makes some incredible tincture. And I don't think I've reviewed it on the channel for you guys before. I'm sorry about that. I need to do better. So here we are. A fresh bottle of Passion was sent to me. I've had it before. It's amazing, but it's been a while since I've had it. So I wanted to give it a refresh review. And while my tolerance is in the toilet, because I really want to see how well it burns. I don't remember exactly what all peppers are in this. He probably told me. I forget. I'm getting old. But I want to say he's had mixed berries for flavoring in this particular tincture. Look how beautiful, crystal clear it is. It's amazingly... Having a moment here. My refrigerator is making noises that I don't know why. Back to you, Charlie. Anyways... We're going to give this a tasty taste, sniffy sniff, shaky. We don't have to shake tincture, but I love it. Yes, it's like mixed berries, and it's just so delicious. And we're going to give it just a little bit on the tongue. Not a whole lot. We'll go with a little bit of that. This is probably too much for my tiny little baby tolerance anymore, but... So good. Wow. That's a burn. But very tasty. There's Hiccups. I'm gonna set this down. Woo. Mm-hmm. Man, it's been a minute since I had hiccups, which I think Charlie recently had his first hiccups, which is insane to me. Because if you don't know Charlie, listen, maybe you're new to the scene, or maybe you've been around for a while. I don't know. To me, if there's a Mount Rushmore of like top chili heads, Charlie is on that to me. We can think of our legends. You can think of a Johnny Scoville, or, you know, a Scoville unit, or think of our current world champion in League of Fire, Fiery Red. Monsters like Mike Jack. If you've been around for a little minute, you've seen the insane feats of somebody like Pyro Pitbull. To me, Charlie is one of the baddest on the planet. He's done things. There's a Ragnarok challenge. It's a chocolate challenge through Pure Insanity Society. My mouth is still on fire. I'm struggling right now. That has something like 164 or 184 Carolina Reapers stuffed in the thing and like 8 bars of chocolate. He ate all that and then some. It's the hardest challenge on the planet, as far as I'm concerned. Official. They had to invent, literally, a 2-pound heart-shaped gummy filled with like 207 Pop Primos or something insane like that, just to try to break him. He only lost out because of the stomach capacity. Anytime I've ever had to explain what I do to people, I always point to Charlie. Because he's amazing. And he is... I wish people understood just how cool of a person he really is. And he's made this amazing, tasty tincture that has traveled all the way from the UK to give me hiccups today for this review. I'm winding the channel down. I won't be doing any more videos here after a while. I've got like one more challenge officially on the way that I'll do. I'll try to book a live stream with the crew again. Never Better Club, Casually Roasting Broken Charlie. And I'll, after when I finally knock out, clean up, whatever all that is, I'll kind of be done for this. But I just wanted to review this. And if nothing else, if you guys have never checked out Broken Charlie, he's here on YouTube. Check out his exploits. See if you can get a hold of his tincture. See if you can get a hold of his hot sauces. He's amazing. He's just one of the coolest dudes. And it's an honor to know him. So Charlie, if you're watching, and I'm sure you are, you're the man. Stay gold. Stay healthy. And love you.